How's it going, airsofters? Welcome back to the channel. It's Henry here, and today I have a quick product review, but this time it's not about airsoft replicas. However, it's definitely related to airsoft, and for that, a massive appreciation for today's sponsored Tuxapo Tactical. They have sent me one of the hottest product on the market. As you can see, it's a plate carrier. But this is not just a normal plate carrier. What do I mean by that? We are about to find out. Make sure you stick to the end, as I have a discount codes for you. So I'll make it quick. The package comes in separate pieces. We have the front and back, along with two foam inserts. These two foam parts are decompression and breathable, perfect for a hot game day. Let's take a look at the plate carrier. You have plenty of moly section right in the front and back. They are laser cutting, by the way. I'll put down some spec on the description box. Even for the shoulder strap, so you can put whatever you want. Magazine pouches, radio holder, pistol holster, you name it. One of the biggest selling point of this plate carrier is that it has the quick detach or release functionality. Makes it even more versatile to wear. It's quite hard to explain how it works, so we will show you. I must be drunk when I think of this idea. But anyway, enjoy. So okay, are we done? The quick release mechanism located in both waist and shoulder straps, and very easy to access. Once you pull down the cord, they will come off, like so.